Let's explore innovative business ideas that not only fill market gaps but also make a positive impact. Today, we're diving into a sector that's both rewarding and vital: senior care services. Stick around. These ideas aren't just opportunities, they're a chance to transform lives. 1. Personalized companion services. Our first idea is addressing the issue of senior loneliness. Your business could provide companionship, taking them for walks, playing games, or simply having heartfelt conversations. This involves hiring compassionate companions, creating personalized activity plans, and collaborating with local communities. Revenue streams include hourly or subscription-based fees, with challenges being ensuring well-trained companions and handling potential health or emergency situations responsibly. 2. Tech-enabled home monitoring. Moving into the tech realm, this business provides seniors with a sense of independence while keeping them safe through smart home devices. Implementing sensors, video monitoring, and user-friendly apps constitute the implementation. Revenue streams include monthly subscriptions and installing smart home devices. Challenges encompass addressing privacy concerns and ensuring seniors are comfortable using the technology. 3. Specialized transportation services. Recognizing the challenges seniors face in getting around. Your business would provide reliable transportation tailored to their needs, offering wheelchair-accessible vehicles and door-to-door services for medical appointments. Revenue streams include per-trip fees or subscription plans, and challenges involve adhering to safety standards and building a network of trustworthy drivers. 4. In-home health assessments. Seniors often hesitate to visit medical facilities, so this service brings healthcare professionals to their doorstep for regular health checkups. Implementation includes employing registered nurses, conducting comprehensive health assessments, and collaborating with healthcare providers. Revenue streams encompass subscription-based health assessment packages, with challenges including ensuring qualified and compassionate healthcare professionals and managing logistics for comprehensive in-home assessments. 5. Memory care support. With a growing population dealing with dementia and Alzheimer's, this service provides tailored support for memory care. Implementation includes hiring trained staff, creating engaging activities, and collaborating with healthcare professionals. Revenue streams consist of subscription plans for memory care services, and challenges involve ensuring staff is well trained in memory care techniques and adapting activities to individual needs. 6. Home modification services. Recognizing the importance of seniors aging at home safely. This business conducts home assessments for safety concerns, offers modifications like ramps and handrails, and collaborates with contractors for renovations. Revenue streams include charging for home assessments and modification plans, with challenges encompassing navigating local building codes and ensuring modifications align with individual needs. 7. Senior-focused fitness programs. Staying active is crucial. This business caters to the physical and social well-being of seniors through specially designed exercise routines. Implementation includes hiring certified fitness trainers, offering group classes, and creating programs that cater to various fitness levels. Revenue streams involve charging for fitness classes or subscription packages, with challenges being ensuring trainers are well-versed in senior fitness needs and creating inclusive programs. 8. Geriatric care management. This business involves professionals overseeing and managing various aspects of a senior's life, ensuring comprehensive care. Implementation includes employing certified geriatric care managers, conducting comprehensive care assessments, and collaborating with healthcare providers. Revenue streams involve charging for care management packages, and challenges include building a network of reliable healthcare providers and navigating complex family dynamics. 9. Senior technology education. Many seniors want to stay connected but may need assistance in navigating technology. Your business could bridge that gap by offering classes on using smartphones, tablets, and computers, providing one-on-one technology tutoring, and collaborating with local community centers for workshops. Revenue streams involve charging for individual or group classes, partnering with tech companies for sponsorship, and offering personalized tech support packages. Challenges include ensuring patient and tailored tech education and adapting to various learning styles and abilities. 10. End-of-life planning services. This business helps seniors and their families navigate and plan for the inevitable, ensuring dignity and peace of mind. Implementation includes offering consultation on wills, funeral planning, and advanced care directives, collaborating with legal professionals for legal aspects, and providing emotional support and resources for families. Challenges include handling sensitive discussions with empathy and respect and navigating legal intricacies while staying updated on regulations. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or someone passionate about making a difference, these ideas offer a blend of purpose and profitability. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into transformative business ideas. Until next time, take care and stay inspired.